Hi everyone, Kristen Kenny here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm excited to tell you all about Vivint Insurance. So let's get started. What is Vivint Insurance? Vivint Insurance is a full-service, in-house, licensed insurance agency, and we partner with top carriers to find you the best deals. If you call us today, we can provide you with a quote in as little as 15 minutes. What makes Vivint Insurance unique? A Vivint smart home is equipped to deter danger and prevent home damage, which means you may qualify for discounts through Vivint Insurance. When you can reduce the likelihood of a claim, you can save even more on insurance. What does Vivint Insurance cover? We cover it all. Vivint Insurance has partnered with A-plus carriers to offer coverage on more than just your home and auto. We also cover your boat, RV, trailer, motorcycle, rental property, and so much more. How much can I really save? Customers across the country who switched to Vivint Insurance and combined home and auto saved $650 a year on average. Already insured? One call to your current company is all it takes to switch. So what are you waiting for? You already have Vivint equipment. Now find out how much your smart home could actually save you with Vivint Insurance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notification so that you know when we upload new content. See you next time.